Hello all, I've come up with a new video on n8n workflows. This is basically an inspiration from Nate Huck. Thank you, man. You're doing great. So this basically workflow is going to take input from in an Excel field. I have few post headings here, and then status as to do, and then I have an empty field here, which is going to create the or update the contents from the workflow. So basically, as I execute this, it's going to read each field, and I have made a setting to read only the first entry, which is blank and which is where the status is equal to do, and then it is going to process it, gives the input to Tavily. Tavily is basically going to gather all the information about the content that I have or the post that I'm requesting here. Say teddy bear is the first one, and then it's going to feed it into the AI agent where I have requested it to um, output in a certain format. Basically, if I open Tavily, you can see that I am giving this information, whereas I'm asking to output two such entries, and then this is fed into the AI agent where I'm fetching this information and I'm saying article 1, article 2. So I'm getting two information, and then further I am combining both of them into one single article which I can post. And also at the same time, what I'm doing, I am going and updating back into the um, Google Sheet. In addition to that, it will go and even update a LinkedIn post. I have to create a company page like this. I don't have any, I didn't have any. I've created one in my name. As you can see, there are no posts yet. And as soon as I execute this workflow, it is going to read the data from the text from the Google Sheet and then starts processing and then update the Google Sheet in the end and also posts on LinkedIn. Let's execute it. Okay, execution started. It's reading the Google Sheet. It's outputting one item. It took information from Tavily, it's outputting, and then AI agent is processing. It's updating the Google Sheet and LinkedIn. Let's go and see the Google Sheet. You can see this is updated with some information. Now the same post will be there on my page as well. So let me just refresh it. And there you can see it's the same information that we have in our Excel. Now if I execute again, now what has happened is we can see that the status of the first one is updated to created. When I execute this flow again, it'll take the agentic A as the second topic and start writing. So let's do that. Now it started reading the Google Sheet. It's taking the second item. Now it's going to the Tavily, inputting it, going to the agentic AI, updating, and then now it has updated as you can see, it updated the agentic AI line and it's changed the status to created. And now we should also see this as the second post. So the post we can see is embracing the rise of agentic AI in transforming. That should be our second post. Okay, embracing the rise of agentic AI is transforming. So it's worked beautifully. Thank you.